How to save files on computer, not in OneDrive. So I will show the how we can fix it. So first, if you want to save any Excel file like this, if there is a if it is an Excel file, if you want to save it on your local folder or your computer, not in OneDrive, so simply go to the file, go to the save as, just click on that save as, and here you can see once you click on save as, the by default is will select OneDrive, but from here you can browse your local folder, go to the browse and select your desired locations. I just, you can see this is OneDrive folder. Okay, so don't select this, you can select the desktop and download or documents folder like this, or you can go to this computer. Here you can see all your hard disks. Okay, this is your C or D. So basically under the C, people have the window files, so people generally save files on local drive D or any other name. So just open it and create the folder over there, or you can save there. Okay, or you can simply select any folder from here, select the location, it will be saved here. Okay, and let me open file explorer. Okay, this is my file explorer. So here you can see this is my OneDrive, this is my name, and this is the OneDrive logo. So here we have some files on OneDrive. So if you don't want to save this file in OneDrive, just select all like this, or enter the Control plus A and just right click on it. Okay, and cut from here. Okay, if you cut it, it will be vanish from here. It will be you can paste another folder, and if you copy it, then it will be create the another files to the your another local folder. Okay, so I just suggest go to the cut. If you don't want to any files and folder in your OneDrive, just cut it, and now select your desired folders and just right click on it and paste here. So all folder from the OneDrive will be transferred to the that folder. Okay, so that is methods, or you can simply go to the OneDrive. This is my OneDrive icon. Okay, you can simply find that OneDrive icon, go to the setting or search here OneDrive. Okay, go to the OneDrive icon, go to the settings. Here again go to the settings, from sync and backup options, go to the manage backup. Is there any enable this folder, enable any of this folder like this, just disable it and save it. Now you can directly save any files and folder in your local files in computer, or you can do one more thing, go to the account, and here you can unlink this PC. So once you unlink this PC, it will be your OneDrive will be disconnected from your PC. Then OneDrive will be not in your process. So you can unlink from here, and you can link anytime from that device, from that app. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.